Hi, now I will present the introduction of our group project. One is Numerical Method. Numerical Method is a mathematical tool designed to solve numerical problems. Some calculation cannot be solved using algebra or other mathematical method. For this, we need to use Numerical Method. Newton method is one such as method and allow us to calculate the solution of fx equal to 0. The Newton-Rhapson method is particularly useful in solving nonlinear equations, including those encountered in open channel flow. In civil engineering, open channels are commonly encountered in river, channel, and stormwater drainage system. We often encounter nonlinear equations related to flow profile, water surface elevation, and energy losses. The Newton-Rhapson method allows us to iteratively approximate solution for this nonlinear equation. The objective of our group project is, first, to determine the effective iterative technique for solving the nonlinear Manning equation. Second, to be able to apply Newton-Rhapson method when calculating the depth of flow in open channel.
From the equations, we can get to how calculate the hydraulic depth of rectangular channel. So we use the value of flow rate to find the Manning roughness coefficient, width of channel, and slope energy line has been determined. So the formula can be arranged and y can be made as the only unknown nonlinear equation can be performed. So the idea is to solve by bisection method. When we use a new Newton-Rhapson method, since that easier to be done, and we construct the table to perform a clear visualization of the calculation to avoid the mistakes. So the learning issue from here is what is a Newton-Rhapson method, so how to construct the Newton-Rhapson method table, and what are the stopping criteria for the iterations. So we as a group take action for learn and study using numerical method book that has given from our lecture and discuss with our group and to find and also find and search the internet for the reference study.
Hello and good morning everyone. My name is Muhammad Mirza bin Masizam. I would like to talk about literature review for this report. The reference that I use is Numerical Method with Casio FX 570EX books from Phenomenon. I get this graph. Newton-Rhapson method can be generated two formula that I show in this slide. The stopping criteria for Newton-Rhapson method is fx equal to 0, fx smaller than epsilon, and value of x minus x smaller than epsilon. Value of epsilon is 0.0005. That's all.
From the flowchart above, the calculation start with determining the Manning equation. This equation helps us understand how water flows in an open channel. Next, our group identifies the dimension of the rectangular channel section. And then, we rearrange the Manning equation so that the depth of flow, or called it as y, is the only unknown variable. This rearranged equation is called f of y. To find the root of this equation, we need to differentiate it to get f prime of y. This can be done by hand or using a calculator. After that, we use the Newton-Rhapson method to solve f of y. We create a table and iterate the process until we meet the stopping criteria where f of yi is less than or equal to 0.0005.
From the value given by the equation can be formed at last as fy is equal to 6.346y in the bracket 3y over 3 plus 2y to the power of 2 over 3 minus 20, and the value of y is equal to 3.1325, which is equivalent to 3. So here is table of the calculation for the Newton-Rhapson method. Firstly, the equation start with the value of y, which is 3, and the value of 3 is then inserted into the equation of the fy that is already obtained before. So the value is negative 1.0262, and lastly, insert the value of f prime y with the value of y that is equal to 3, and we obtain the value of 7.7301. And to get the new value of y for the iteration 1, we use the formula a minus b over c, which is yi minus fyi over f prime yi, and then we get the value of 3.1328, and the calculation continue until the stopping criteria met, which is fyi is less than the epsilon value, which is 0.0005. To conclude on, Newton-Rhapson method is best to apply in engineering because the method is easy to calculate and the method can be visualized better by using the table. And lastly, the value obtained is precise and accurate because the value is come with zero exact error.